y'all? Welcome back to our channel. And this is part 2 of the tree fell on my truck. Today we're going to show y'all the aftermath of the cleanup from the tree, my truck, and the damage to my house. But before we get into all that,
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make that bell go ring. Ding, dong. Come on, y'all, come on.
ring, ding, dong.
Come on, y'all, come on.
Ring, ding, dong.
Last time.
Ring, ding, dong.
Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, y'all, this is the entryway to my driveway where the truck was sitting. As you see, it landed on this gate opening right here, so I can't even close my gate. But let's start walking towards the back. Okay, y'all, so as you see over here, that's the tree stump where the tree fell at. The Mexicans, baby, they worked their little butt out there day getting this tree down. So, yeah, as you see, they just did that. I don't know what that means, but did what they did. Okay, y'all. So yeah, this what it is. What you say, boo?
It look like a booty.
It look like a booty. I don't know, but this is. Oh Lord, this is what they did. Okay. So yeah, this was going on. I don't know, but yeah, that's what's going on. And there's my truck. We're gonna get to that in a minute, but here's the back of my house. I don't know if you all can really see. I'm trying not to fall either while I'm recording it, so. But as you can see, it kind of did this to my house in the back. So they're gonna come and fix it. It looked like the tree did a little braille on my house, but you probably can't even see the little holes that, the tree did. This is the gate that it was mostly laying on with my truck, my neighbor's yard or whatnot. But yeah, this is what the damage was done. And the moment y'all been waiting for, my truck. This is the back of it. Let's walk on around the side of it. Look at this. Big old hole in the top of it. Yep. As you see, let's get on around here to the front. Yep. Can y'all see that? Yeah, she really got hit. She really got hit. Yep. But this side good. She cute on this side. All right, we finna open it up. Open the door, baby.
Okay.
Why not? I locked it.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We have to go in the house to get the keys. I thought the door was unlocked. Okay, open the door, boy. Okay. This is the front.
It ain't that bad.
It ain't that bad in the front. But we finna show you the back. Okay, y'all. This is the back seat, though. I haven't had a chance to do anything. Waiting on the insurance people. Let's see. And you see that big old hole in her head? You done pop my baby in the head. Yep. So, there she is. Okay, y'all. So, that's part 2. Part 3 be coming soon, about the next 2 weeks. With the insurance company and whatnot, and my next vehicle. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime,
y'all just subscribe. It's to support us.
That's all we asking for. It's just y'all subscribe. Subscribe. And that'll give us great support. We don't need anything else but just you to hit that little subscribe button. And don't forget to like, comment as well. Until the next go around,
Peace.